everyone, it's Kay from Crafter with Kay. How are you doing? In the room with me is of course Pickle. So I have got a bagging. This comes from AliExpress because I've been having a browse through there lately, which is not good. But this is not a diamond painting, it's something else. If I can get into it. There we go. So I've only done one of these before, and it was a sort of smallish to medium sized thing, and I really enjoyed it. So this is a latch hook kit, and it's of this little guy here. I'm going to do it, it's a little rug. I'm going to put it in front of Pickle's bed where she gets in and out of bed. It's really cute. So let's have a look see. I do have something else due to turn up, which I ordered at the same time. I'm just waiting for it to be delivered, so I might insert that clip. This is not easy to undo, which is a shame. Why aren't you easy? There we go. Careful not to go too far now. Right. So here we have the mat. Oh, cool. So this is the side you work on, and that would be the bottom. And actually, I don't think I need now what I had ordered, because the last latch hook kit I did had quite a small tool. I'm wondering if it's in here. No, it's not. Yes, it is. So this was the last tool I used with latch hook. It's quite thin and stuff, so I thought I'd order, because I just assumed most of them come with this as standard. But I don't believe that's the case. This one's a lot chunkier, which is going to be nice. So I had ordered a chunkier tool as well, so now I'll have two. So here we've got all the colours. Now I'm assuming there's got to be a pattern in here somewhere. Something to follow. Yes, there is. Just got to wiggle it out. So those are all the colours I need. Ah, that's cool. So got instructions on how to do it. Okay, so these are all the blues number 1, all the light blue is 2, 3, 1 dark brown which is 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So at least I have my key. Oh, and 9. And then here's the key. So number 1's A, 2, so on and so forth. There's the image, and then here's a small part of the pattern. So yeah, this will be a much bigger kit than what I've done previously. So yeah, it should be fun to do. So I'll probably start up here, or maybe I will start in the middle, I don't know yet. But yeah, it's good. So I'm happy about starting this soon. I want a little project that I can kind of sit down on the sofa and get quite comfy with. Let's fold this in a different way. There we go. But I'm glad it actually did come with a chunkier tool. It's very light though. I'm surprised how light it is. But yeah, this is what I had coming in. I wanted to get it because I thought it would look super cute. And yeah. Has anyone else tried latch hook before in the past? I remember when I started the butterfly thing that I got from the works, I remember being quite frustrated at trying to get it to work. But as soon as it clicks with how you get the loops going and stuff, it's actually a lot of fun. So yeah, I like that it comes in its own bag, so I can just keep everything in the one place. And yeah, and that cost me, I don't know, maybe a tenner, something like that. About £15 with shipping, something like that. So it's not too bad at all. And it actually got to me pretty quickly. Oh no, it didn't stay sealed. Is it not going to stay sealed anymore? Nah. That's fine, it's all in one place. That's my main thing. And as long as I keep the bag out of Pickle's reach, it'll be fine. But yeah, let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!